What up, what up, what up, folks? It is I, Jordan Marcus Mike Matthews of the M3 Investment Group once again, here at day 10 of my 30-day challenge for completing my master's project. If you've been following me, I know things have been choppy. I've missed the last couple days, and I really had another set of technical difficulties. And I'm really going to get right into day 10 and integrate that with what I want to talk to you guys about, which is basically, when you get sidetracked, how to stay consistent. How, when I've been sidetracked in my business, when I've made offers that weren't accepted, when deals that really look good turned out not to be my deal for whatever reason. I still stay consistent. I still keep my pipeline full. I'm still, following the amazing strategies that I use on a daily basis to bring in leads and to position myself for success. And I keep the same mindset for my project. The last couple of days, basically a nice laptop that I just acquired, the cooling fan malfunction, had to take it back. Today on Black Friday of all days, mad dash for all the laptops, but I've still been consistent the past couple of days, doing work where I can. And I gotta be honest, when it first happened, I was a little withdrawn. It was like a punch to the gut, like the wind was taken out of me, like I was in good stride, and then boom. And for the rest of that evening, I wasn't as focused. But once I was able to shake that off, I regrouped, got my strategies back into play, and today I'm in full stride. I'm back on the map, technical difficulties resolved, and I'm going to stay consistent with my project. I'm down to about a solid 3 weeks, a little under 3 weeks, and I'm going to keep pushing forward. I'm going to accomplish my goal. I always do, and you can count on that. So, again, folks, the lesson today is to stay consistent, to stay persistent. And no matter what happens, look for the silver lining and do whatever you have to do to take massive action and accomplish your goal. So, man, I'm really feeling happy about how things are going. I hope you're feeling inspired by what I'm doing here. And as far as these vacant homes in Baltimore City, 47,000 plus. I'm on a mission to reducing the 47,000 plus vacant homes in Baltimore City. If you're on the same page as me, if you're feeling me, if you understand what I'm saying and know that something needs to be done, if you know of any vacant homes in your area, please contact me, M3 Investment Group at gmail.com or www.jordanbuysallhouses or www.jordanbuyshouses.com. Again, I hope you guys are feeling inspired by what I'm doing here, and I'll be talking to you guys soon. Take care.